This is Cowboy Crease, and thanks for watching. You sick and tired of feeling sick and tired? Foggy? Pain? Today I'm sharing science-backed health hacks that will change your life, starting right now. Forget endless scrolling for miracle cures. The real secret? Small, consistent changes. In this video, I'm giving you simple, actionable techniques to boost your energy, clear your mind, and ease common aches, rooted in real science. We'll cover everything, from erasing brain fog to instant neck pain relief. Stick around for a bonus tip at the end that could be your game changer. Ready to feel better than you have in years? Let's dive in. Let's tackle brain fog, that mental cloudiness that creeps in and sabotages your focus. That feeling of wading through mud when you're trying to think clearly. That sluggish, unfocused feeling that ruins your day, making it hard to concentrate on even the simplest tasks. It can leave you feeling drained and unproductive. Often, it's not age or busyness, but unstable blood sugar that's to blame. Those roller coaster blood sugar levels wreak havoc on your cognitive functions. The fix? Stabilize your blood sugar by adding high-quality protein to your meals. This simple change makes a world of difference in how you feel and think. Protein digests slowly, giving your brain steady fuel and preventing those energy crashes that lead to brain fog. It's like providing your brain with a consistent and reliable power source. Think nutrient-dense sources. Red meat, packed with essential amino acids and iron. Eggs, a complete protein source, also rich in choline, important for brain health. Fish, especially fatty fish like salmon, loaded with omega-3 fatty acids that support brain function. Poultry, a lean protein option that's versatile and easy to incorporate into your diet. Or quality plant-based options like quinoa, lentils, and tofu, providing protein and fiber for sustained energy. Next time brain fog hits, skip the sugar. That quick fix only leads to a bigger crash later. Instead, grab a protein-rich snack like nuts, seeds, or Greek yogurt, and notice the difference in your focus and energy levels. This isn't a fad. It's about retraining your body and brain for lasting clarity and optimal cognitive performance. It's a sustainable approach to banishing brain fog for good. Try it and let me know how it works for you. I'm confident you'll experience a significant improvement in your mental clarity and overall well-being. We're told to breathe deeply for more oxygen, but what if you need more carbon dioxide instead? Chronic mouth breathing blows off too much CO2, making it harder for your body to use oxygen. The solution? Breathe through your nose. It slows your breath, retains CO2, and calms your nervous system. Nasal breathing improves oxygen delivery, reduces stress, and even helps you sleep better. Try it now. Close your mouth, breathe gently through your nose, and notice the calm. Make this a daily habit, especially at night, for profound benefits. Sometimes the simplest changes have the biggest impact. The gallbladder, a small but mighty organ, is absolutely key for digesting fats. It plays a vital role in breaking down the foods we eat, ensuring our bodies absorb essential nutrients. Think of it as your body's personal emulsifier, working hard behind the scenes. But when it's sluggish, when the gallbladder ain't functioning at its best, you might feel bloated and uncomfortable. This can manifest as a general feeling of fullness, trapped gas, and a distended abdomen, making you feel sluggish and heavy. Right shoulder pain. Might seem strange, but pain in your right shoulder can sometimes be a surprising indicator of gallbladder issues. That shoulder ache could be your gallbladder asking for help. The gallbladder and shoulder share nerve pathways, so referred pain is common. This connection means discomfort in the gallbladder radiates to seemingly unrelated areas of the body. Here's a quick fix. Lie on your back in a relaxed position, allowing your abdominal muscles to soften. This makes it easier to access the area we need to target. Find the bottom of your right rib cage, where your ribs meet your abdomen. This is the general vicinity of your gallbladder. Gently press your fingers up under your ribs. You should feel a slight pressure, but avoid digging in too hard. Massage in small circles for about a minute, no need to force it. Use a gentle, circular motion to stimulate the area. The goal is to encourage bile flow without causing any pain or discomfort. This stimulates bile flow, helping your gallbladder release bile into the digestive system. This eases both digestive discomfort and that mysterious shoulder pain. By promoting healthy bile flow, you alleviate bloating, gas, and that nagging ache in your right shoulder. Try it before meals to prepare your gallbladder for optimal digestion. Or when that ache flares up, providing targeted relief when you need it most. Gentle support goes a long way for your digestion. This simple massage can be a powerful tool in supporting your overall digestive health. Sometimes relief is just a minute away. A little self-care makes a big difference in how you feel. Chronic pain can be relentless, but acupressure offers quick relief. Here's the trick. Find the mirror location of your pain on the opposite pain-free side of your body. For example, if your left wrist hurts, press the same spot on your right wrist. Apply steady pressure or massage for 1 to 2 minutes while you breathe really deep. This sends a new signal to your brain, often reducing pain in the original spot. It works for joints all over: elbows, knees, shoulders. Next time pain strikes, try treating its mirror image. Relief really can be just a touch away. Stretching tight muscles often doesn't work because the real issue is weakness in the opposing muscle. Muscles work in pairs. When one is tight, its partner is usually weak. Instead of endlessly stretching the tight spot, strengthen the opposite muscle group. Tight hamstrings, strengthen your quads and stretch your hip flexors. Tight upper back, stretch your chest. Focus on restoring balance, not just flexibility. This approach brings lasting relief and real improvement. Feeling weak or hitting an energy slump? Skip the caffeine. Try a pinch of sea salt under your tongue. Stress and dehydration drains your sodium, making you feel tired. Place a tiny pinch of high-quality sea salt under your tongue and let it dissolve. This quickly restores mineral balance and boosts your energy within minutes. Use it before a workout or during an afternoon slump for a fast pick-me-up. I use it when I'm out wrangling. A pinch is all you need. Neck pain and those nagging tension headaches often stem from tight suboccipital muscles. These muscles, small but mighty, are located at the very base of your skull and can be a major source of discomfort. When they tighten up, they can cause pain to radiate up into your head, leading to those tension headaches that ruin your day. These suboccipital muscles are nestled right at the base of your skull, where your neck meets your head. They play a crucial role in head movement and posture. Here's a quick fix to release that tension. Use your fingertips to find the soft tissue in this area. You're aiming for the spot just below the bony ridge at the back of your head, right where your hairline begins. It might feel a little tender when you find the right spot, and that's perfectly okay. Gently press upward into the area. Apply firm but comfortable pressure. Hold the position for a full 2 minutes, focusing on breathing deeply and evenly. Inhale slowly and exhale completely, allowing your body to relax with each breath. As you hold the pressure and breathe, you'll likely feel the muscles begin to soften and release. The tension starts to melt away, replaced by a sense of calm and relaxation. This simple move provides significant relief from headaches, especially those caused by tension in the neck and shoulders. Releasing this tension helps you sleep better, allowing you to drift off more easily and enjoy a more restful night. Incorporate this into your bedtime routine for deeper, more restful sleep. It's a fantastic way to unwind and prepare your body for a night of rejuvenation. Sometimes, just 2 minutes is all it takes to reset your neck, release built-up tension, and promote a sense of overall well-being. Try it tonight and feel the difference it makes in your sleep quality and overall comfort. You might be surprised at how effective this simple technique can be. Many digestive issues come from too little stomach acid, not too much. Apple cider vinegar can help. Mix 1 tablespoon with a few ounces of water and drink it quickly on an empty stomach, 15 to 20 minutes before eating. This signals your stomach to ramp up acid production and improves digestion. For an extra boost, rinse and repeat the process after 2 minutes. This simple routine reduces bloating, reflux, and helps you absorb more nutrients. It's a small change with big digestive benefits. Give it a try and notice the difference. Joint pain often comes from tight fascia, the connective tissue webbing your body. Instead of just stretching the painful area, target the fascia on the opposite side of the joint or even the opposite limb. For outer knee pain, stretch your inner thigh or the opposite leg's adductors. Releasing tension in these lines brings lasting relief. Think beyond the joint. Address the whole system. Sometimes the solution is on the other side. Old head injuries can cause recurring headaches years later. Use your fingertips to explore your scalp for tender or tight spots, especially where you've had past injuries. When you find one, press firmly and move the skin in small circles for a minute or two. This breaks up adhesions and releases tension in the fascia. Addressing old trauma relieves current headaches and prevents future ones. Sometimes, healing starts with a gentle touch. Sinus congestion ruining your day? Try this acupressure sequence for instant relief. Massage beside your nostrils, then the bridge of your nose, under your cheekbones, and sweep across your eyebrows. Repeat the sequence 2 or 3 times. This stimulates drainage, reduces pressure, and opens your airways. It's drug-free, fast, and you can do it anywhere. Great before bed for better breathing and sleep. Relief is right at your fingertips. So there you have it. Powerful and practical health hacks you can begin implementing right now, today. Don't just watch passively. Pick 1 or 2 that resonate with you and actively try them out in your own life. Remember, action is truly where real and lasting transformation happens. It's the key. And what's the most important hack of all? It's consistency, without a doubt. Because small changes, when done daily and consistently, inevitably lead to big results over time. So take decisive action today and begin to transform your life, one small manageable step at a time. Thanks so much for watching. Always remember that your health truly is your greatest and most valuable asset. If you got a health hack that works for you, tell everyone about it in the comments. Tell me what kind of relief you're looking for, and I can make a video on it. Give old Cowboy Crease a like and a share. I'd certainly appreciate it and thank you kindly. Subscribe, I got lots more videos on the horizon. Y'all take care.